Hi everybody, welcome to our second lesson about animals. Maybe you can remember some of the names of the groups of animals from lesson 1. Mammal. Have a little think about what that word means if you're an animal and you are a mammal. Did you think about feeding its babies milk? Did you remember mammals have hair or fur? Maybe you remembered that mammals, when their babies are born, it's the live animal. It isn't an egg. Once the baby's born, it looks like a tiny version of the grown-up. How about reptile? That was a bit tricky for some children in the autumn term. A reptile lives in water and on land. It lays its eggs on land. And a reptile has a thick, scaly skin. Bird. A bird has feathers and wings. Most birds can fly and they lay eggs. Fish. Fish live in water. They have scales like a reptile. They do not have legs, they have fins. Amphibian. Oh, yes, an amphibian lives in water and on land. It lays its eggs in water. Insect. Oh, yes, I can remember one thing about an insect. I wonder if you can. Can you remember how many legs an insect has? Did you remember? 6. An insect has 6 legs. They have 3 parts to their body, and many insects have wings. Not all of them, but lots of them do. Okay, let's have a little think about this animal here. I know that this is a cod. And I know that, I'm going to write a sentence here. A cod is a fish. That's my first statement. That's true. That sentence is true. A cod is a fish. And underneath that very first sentence, I'm going to tell you why. I know, now no has got that silent K, no. I know this because big elephants can always understand small elephants. I know this because it lives in water and it has fins. Okay, so I've told you what the animal is, and I've also told you why I know this. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Oh, here's a frog. Okay, so I know that a frog is, now we have to say the word an for this part of the sentence, not a. A frog is an, can you remember? Amphibian. A frog is an amphibian. Now, how do I know? I know this because it lives in water and on land. Also, it lays its eggs in water. That's what makes it an amphibian. Right, next one. Oh, I love this little creature. A robin. R-O-B-in. A robin is a bird. B-bird. B-bird. A robin is a bird. I know this because it has wings and can fly. It also has a beak and feathers. It lays eggs. Oh, quite a lot about this bird that I know. Why it's a bird. It lays eggs. There we go. So quite a bit of information there. Let's reread it. A robin is a bird. I know this because it has wings and can fly. It also has a beak and feathers. It lays eggs. Okay. Oh, I'm sure you know the name of this creature, a rabbit. R-A-B-it. A rabbit. Now, what do you think a rabbit is? Well, it doesn't live in water, it lives on land. Oh, it's got lots of fur. Yes, a rabbit is a mammal. I know this because it has fur and feeds its babies milk. That's that one. What's this creature? Do you know? Tell your grown-up if you know what this creature is. You can pause the video and have a little think if you need to. Okay, did you know this is a turtle? A turtle is a reptile. I know this because it has a thick, scaly skin and lays its eggs. Can you remember? The amphibian lays its eggs in water, but a reptile lays its eggs on land. Okay. And this lovely bee. A bee is an insect. Now, how do I know? I know this because it has 6 legs. I'm going to write the word 6, not the number 6 there. 6. It has 6 legs and 3 body parts. It also has wings and can fly, but not all insects can do this. Because I'm thinking of a little ant. A little ant is an insect, but that hasn't got wings, has it? Not all the time. Some little ants have wings and fly, but lots of them don't. Okay, your job is to complete these sentences for these animals. So it says write which group each animal belongs to and why. So you're going to finish off each of the sentences. A shark is a I know this because, and tell us why. And do the same for each of the other animals. A toad, a penguin, an elephant, and a crocodile. There's no insect on this sheet, so if you can think of an insect as well, that would be brilliant. When you've written out your sentences in your best handwriting, ask your grown-up to take a photo and send it to Mrs. Tarry, to Miss Creaser or to me. We'd love to see it, and keep working hard, everyone. Bye.